Okay, so what you're looking at here, this is a quarter of the floor for the Wazebo. So we have 2 pieces made already. This is number 3. I think this will be finished today, and then maybe later today we can start on the 4th quadrant, the last piece, and then we'll have the full floor section done. Then we have to start making the roof. The roof we'll probably have to put on the water after this, but we can assemble that on the water. It's okay. It would be ideal if we put everything at the same time because we're hustling now. We're running out of time. We have about 3 weeks left before launch day, where we have people from all over the world coming in to see pods. So it's got to be perfect. So we have enough time, but it would just be ideal if we can have all this ready to put on the water at the same time. But yeah, making great progress.